So this robe looks like modern art.
そう、表地は幾何柄のね、レトロモダンな柄の幾何柄の、ベールなんですよ。ベール。
Oh, actually yes. The top layer is extremely thin, like a veil.
それで裏側に裏地としてその麻混紡のシアー素材、薄いシアー素材を合わせています。エンジ色の。
So the bottom layer, the color on the bottom layer does come through onto the top layer. Interesting. So it's made from two layers.
そうです。合わせになって。
Now, as I'm looking at this from the back, it looks like this robe has a very special additional feature.
そう、ちょっと透けるんですよ。シースルーなの。2つとも合わさってもまだ透ける。
透ける, yes. It is slightly see-through. The very, very thin material. Looks light.
そうです。軽いでしょ。着て軽い感じ。
So you can even wear this in the summertime?
そうですね。
Very cool. Thank you.